In this airport look, Rakul Preet Singh serves up a perfect example of effortless travel fashion. She is seen wearing a buttery yellow coadi set, consisting of a loose-fitted, high-low kurta-style top with full sleeves and wide-legged pants. Sara Tendulkar embraces laid-back luxury with her effortlessly stylish look. She's seen wearing a sky blue athleisure coadi set, featuring a zip-up jacket with sporty black and white side stripes paired with matching track pants. Accessorizing thoughtfully, Sara carries a Dior tote bag, adding a touch of designer elegance to her casual outfit. In this recent airport appearance, Varun Dhawan proves that simple can be supremely stylish. He's seen sporting a rust orange polo shirt, perfectly fitted to highlight his athletic build, paired with coordinated brown-tone trousers that bring an earthy, sophisticated edge to the look. He finishes the look with black sunglasses. Varun effortlessly blends comfort with casual class. Pooja Hegde brought varsity vibes to the airport with her ultra-cool and sporty look. She rocked a mint green and white Letterman jacket featuring bold graphic patches, paired with a basic white top and black pants. Her choice of slim sunglasses and a yellow shoulder bag added a playful, street-style edge to the outfit. Effortlessly stylish, Pooja nailed the balance between trendy and travel-ready. Rashi Khanna turned heads at the airport with her effortlessly elegant look. She opted for a royal blue strappy maxi dress that exuded both comfort and chic charm. While her choice of orange-tinted sunglasses added a fun, retro pop to the ensemble. With sleek straight hair and a neutral clutch in hand, Rashi proved that less is truly more when it comes to travel fashion. Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted at the airport in a breezy white kurta set, exuding effortless elegance. However, what caught everyone's attention was her brief struggle with an oversized black duffel bag. Rashmika Mandanna nailed the casual airport look in a sunny yellow t-shirt paired with wide-leg blue denim jeans. The actress kept it simple yet stylish, completing her look with white sneakers and black aviator sunglasses. With minimal accessories and natural charm, Rashmika once again proved that comfort can be fashionable too. Kriti was spotted at the airport exuding casual elegance in a chic and comfy outfit. She wore a cream-colored v-neck knit top with sporty striped detailing, paired effortlessly with relaxed-fit white trousers. Her minimal makeup, sleek bun, and stylish sunglasses added a touch of sophistication, making her look perfect for travel while staying fashion-forward. Samantha dressed in an elegant, all-black outfit, perfect for airport style. She's wearing a button-down black midi shirt dress with a sleek black belt that cinches at the waist, paired with black accessories including a handbag and sunglasses. Isha Gupta was spotted at the airport sporting a casual yet chic travel look that perfectly blends comfort with a touch of retro flair. She wore a sleeveless white tank top with a graphic print, tucked into high-waisted blue flared jeans, a classic combo that nods to vintage style. Her tan loafers added a cozy, grounded vibe to the outfit, ideal for travel. Vineet Kumar Singh was spotted at the airport in a laid-back and effortlessly cool outfit, ideal for travel comfort. He opted for a classic white oversized t-shirt paired with relaxed green pants featuring subtle white speckled details, adding a touch of artistic flair to the ensemble. Mrinal Thakur was seen at the airport exuding understated elegance in a stylish and functional beige coadi set. The outfit featured a button-down shirt-style top with flap pockets and rolled-up sleeves, giving it a smart, utilitarian vibe. Paired with matching high-waisted trousers, the ensemble struck a perfect balance between comfort and sophistication, ideal for travel. Vamika Gabbi brought a touch of ethnic grace to the airport with her elegant traditional look. She was seen wearing a rich green floral printed kurta paired with a matching dupatta adorned with bold yellow flower motifs. The outfit perfectly balanced comfort with cultural charm, making it an ideal choice for travel while staying rooted in traditional style. Stephen Ben exuded cool, effortless charm at the airport with an all-black ensemble that struck the right balance between casual and edgy. He wore a black bomber-style jacket layered over a graphic t-shirt featuring a subtle monochrome design, adding visual interest to the outfit without being flashy.